who made it.
What's going on, y'all? Back again. Shot of red. I've been doing some thinking. This ain't gonna be the usual long video. This is just like thoughts. So I was riding the other day, and I thought I felt some like shaking. Vibrations ain't good on a bike, period. But what I really think I was feeling was there is, I don't think, cause like I felt it under here, but I feel like it was the shifter thing. So I don't feel like it's the bushing, although it does kind of slide back and forth. So I don't know. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts. Y'all think. Cause I know it's the rubber shifter or the rubber thing here. And then from there, where your toe shifter goes. And then there's a cap here for the heel shifter. So this is what I believe I felt really vibrating. I don't know how that one is on there. I honestly, like in the beginning, I was like, man, I don't want no toe shifter. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. But in actuality, like I think the heel shifter might be cool. You know what I'm saying? So what are y'all thoughts on the heel shifter? Do you have one? If yours came with one, did you take it off? If you took it off, do you want to send it to your boy? Nah, real shit though. If you don't want one, if you got one and you don't want it, then send it to me, man. I honestly think I want to try it out. These is just I guess the Harley branded ones, but I mean it ain't gotta be that one. I'm gonna look into it. I think you buy them as a set, but I don't know. I ain't trying to buy a set. I ain't trying to buy a set if all I need is, you know what I'm saying, the outside shifter, the heel shifter, and call it good. I've been watching a whole lot of videos about how this shifter linkage here eventually fails, so I'm looking to getting that upgrade one for that, just so that we don't ever get stranded. Honestly, I don't know how the company could be so cheap and not do that. Also, let me know what y'all think about as far as washing bike tips. Pretty much all I've done is like wiped everything down, but I am starting to notice noticeable amount of dust on the fins there. So on the cylinder heads or the cylinder walls, whatever you want to call it. I'm a car guy first, so cylinder walls, cylinder heads. Technically the head is up here, so cylinder wall. Right. That's what we're gonna go with. I got some vacation coming up. Whole lot of stuff on like a to-do list I need to do that week. on top of chilling. So I don't know. So if you got that toe shifter or any or if you got that heel shifter or any heel shifter that'll fit a 17 Street Glide, then hit me on Instagram, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Oh damn, I can see from where that antenna been rubbing. I think I'm gonna just push it up there. Gonna rub the nice little scratch right there. Yeah, so push it up there. I don't really listen to the radio like that anyway, you know what I'm saying? But the antenna's there, so, you know, I don't know why I didn't think of that before, but yeah, I'm just gonna push that up there. Being it is scratching the shit out of my damn mid-engine deflector. What else? So yeah, that's pretty much it for now, man. Heel shifter. I want to see what's up with it. Give me y'all thoughts. And if somebody got one laying around, let me know. Let me know. Also, I'm gonna get ready to do 3-hole oil change, primary transmission and oil, or engine primary and transmission. You know, y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. I wasn't aware that all them joints use like the exact same fluid, which is a little odd. Like I said, I'm a car guy. So you would never put the same fluid that you put in your engine in your transmission, or vice versa. So, but I'm not brand new to bikes. You know what I'm saying? My Gixxer, it was just one oil that lubricated both the transmission and the engine. So I guess it's normal. I don't know. But what I am not is new to this DIY thing. So I'm going to be working on my own bike as much as possible. And after previous videos, if y'all saw them, where I did the brake fluid, the hydraulic fluid for the clutch and the front and rear brakes. If y'all seen them videos, I was not pleased with the quality of the fluid that was in there for a bike that I done spent, you know what I'm saying, over $10,000 for from dealership. You know what I'm saying? I would think that all this stuff would have been checked. And they can tell me that they checked it, but I'm gonna call bullshit, because ain't no way that fluid was checked. Because I checked it. And after me and Pryor went on that long ride, and my damn clutch failed when I got to the house, and then I opened it up, I went and bought this thing, brake liquid tester, and after I tested it, and it had all the moisture in it, then I was like, oh, hell no. And the same thing for the brake fluid. So, God forbid, if something would have happened to me while I was on this bike, just because they didn't do what they were supposed to do. But I owe it to me, myself, and my family, and my loved ones to check this stuff out. So that's what I did. But you usually don't go look for problems if it ain't no problem. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah. Was also doing some research. So for the oil stuff, y'all let me know what y'all run. I'm honestly thinking about running this, I'm finna run this. Probably finna run this Mobile One with a K&N filter. So I'll probably run the mobile One in all 3 holes and go from there. I have been looking at AMSOIL. I mean, the price difference is not that different. I also been looking at some kit from Maxima, which has different fluids for the different holes, or it's the same fluid in different bottles and make you think it's different. I don't know. I don't trust it now. I don't trust it. But I'm not gonna taste the fluid, so there's that. So it is what it is. So this is what I need from y'all: bike washing tips. I'm not like a big fan of like just spraying the bike down. I ain't never washed the bike like that. But like I said, I am concerned about the buildup of dirt on the cooling fins. So let me know how y'all deal with that. Let me know if anybody got a toe shift or a heel shifter that'll fit the bike that they willing to send me. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're willing to sell it to me, I'll pay for it. I mean, it's what it is. And yeah, so the bike washing tips, what oil do you go with? If anybody has a heel shifter, and what else? I want to say that's it for now. I was just looking at this, like, is that where if you had the big lights that would bolt on too? I don't know. Eventually in the future, I still tell y'all we was gonna upgrade the speakers and do the lowers. That's still a plan, but further in the future. Big wheel in the front, 21-inch, further in the future. I also was told if I do the front wheel, I gotta do the back wheel. Don't be half stepping. Or if you're gonna do if you do a 21 in the front, make sure you do the back if they don't match. Now you can upgrade the front wheel if it's the same wheel without changing the back. But I got a couple homeboys from Cali, and they told me if you do the front wheel, you gotta do the back wheel, or you will be looked at. You will be judged. You will be talked about. They're gonna be like, ha ha. So, I mean, if you think about it, that's like putting rims. Like, if you think about it, the car sense, like, it's like putting rims on the front and not the back, which would look crazy as hell. So, yeah, I get it. So, yeah. Also, I'm kind of curious. I know that when I bought this bike, I didn't really have a whole lot of information about it. I know that, I guess from the factory, they was stock dual exhaust, if I'm not mistaken. Stock dual exhaust. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. So I know that this is not the stock exhaust on this bike, although it is the stock air cleaner. So I'm just curious if I don't know. Like, is there a way to tell? Like, is a tune? Like, I know that a tune should be required. So if you change the intake, change the exhaust, then the map gotta be recalibrated, right? But because they didn't change the intake, but change the exhaust, then I'm curious. You know what I mean? So, like I said, these, I'm pretty sure, is the neighbor haters. If I take the bag off, you can actually see it, but I ain't finna do all that right now. But yeah, Cobra neighbor haters, even though you can't see it. So when they put these slip-ons on, you know what I'm saying, then I'm curious if, in fact, a tune was required. Like, not to say that I noticed a loss of power or nothing crazy like that. I'm just curious. That's all. So that's all I got for y'all this time, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. One more time, if anybody got a hill shifter, let me know. Like I said, it ain't even got to match these. It ain't got to match. It ain't got to match. But if it do match, I mean, that's cool too. But it ain't got to match. So, hill shifter, let me know what y'all's tips are for washing the bike. Okay? Let me know what oil y'all going with. And then also, let me know if you just changed the exhaust, or is there a way to tell if the bike has been tuned other than, I don't know how you would know. You know what I'm saying? So how do you tell if a bike's been tuned? I know the exhaust has been changed because that's not the stock exhaust. How do I know? But it has the stock air cleaner. So I'm assuming that nothing's been done on this side. They just put the exhaust on here. So if that was changed, does it need tune? What tuning software do you use? Etc. All that good stuff. So I'm out, man. I have a blessed one.